It can happen for battery to deeply discharge and your product, in this case wireless earbuds, to stop working. Basically, the symptoms are that after a prolonged period of time, if the battery voltage drops too much, the charger, in this case, this charging case, won't be able to start charging battery, because the electronics thinks that battery is dead and that there is no use to start charging. This often happens with all kinds of electronic devices with batteries, especially lithium-ion. And these have lithium-ion batteries, which and these earbuds are really similar in concept to Apple AirPods, all variations. So I will show you how you can revive your earbuds. The symptoms here were, these were brand new and opened 2 days ago, deeply discharged. I couldn't even charge them. We have symptom like this. Either is completely dead, flat, not showing anything. And in this case, because these have these LED diodes, it was blinking blue, both of them at some point. Sometimes blinking, sometimes nothing. I couldn't reset them or anything, and so I decided to the test which I concluded is to measure voltage, which was 1.1, and that isn't good, and that is the major problem, because the charger thinks the battery is dead and it even won't start to charge it. The good thing is that I have a second set which works completely fine. As you can see, this working set has 3.4 volts, which is a proper voltage. So we have a problem. On the white one we have 1.1, on the black one we have 3.4, so we need to fix that. I have this dock for batteries 1.0 volt to be put in the series. If you have 4 inside, you will get around 5 volts output. So I was, okay, let's put 3 inside. It is a bit more than rated voltage for working earbud. And let's brute force connect it on the charging pins, plus and minus, and let it suck a bit of that voltage, shock the battery, and hopefully revive it. I put these wires, remove the isolation on the both ends. Basically it is easy to spot. This one is plus, this one is minus, and now you need to find plus and minus on these connections. It is really important. You cannot put a minus on plus, a plus on minus. You can damage your earbud, so you need to do this. I don't have a proper multimeter at hand, but basically we have L1 and L2. L2 is a plus, and L1 is the minus. So if you use multimeter, it is even easier, but I don't have one here. This will measure DC output. So if you put this in the wrong orientation on the pins, left one with the screen is a plus, so it is on the minus. I placed it wrong, so I know now that right pin is plus and left one is minus, because if I turn the bud around, I will have now 1.1 volt. So again, now the left pin is plus and right one is the minus. And this is most annoying part. Left one is the plus, and if I rotate it, the right one is the plus. I get my improvised charger. I have here plus is here, minus is here, so I can rotate this just to be easier. And you place the wires like this in these pins. It will be perfect if I can fix this and just leave it alone for like 5-10 minutes, but sadly I don't have a way to do that, so I will just hold it like this for some time. It is worth mentioning that I already did this for the left earbud. The guy to who I sold these earbuds was the first user. He basically removed the bubble wrap, opened them. They were completely flat, no any sign of life. He charged them for 24 hours. The best he could get was a blue blinking light, but sadly he was unable to pair them or anything like that, because the pairing mode is this blinking blue and red, but for him they were completely dead. Anyway, when I got them, I measured the voltage. They both were 1.1 volts, which was wrong. So I did this process to the left one, and as you can see, it is working completely fine now. So I will do the same for the right one. Place the wires like this and just hold it, and hopefully you can give enough of shock to the battery to get critically high enough charge to revive the cell, so the charger of the earbuds can actually see the battery and start normal charging of it. Okay, I was holding like for 1 minute, no more. Place the bud inside of the case, and as you can see, both earbuds are blinking. Let's see if they can pair now. Voila, one more ComfortBuds Pro. Okay, connected. And that's it. From the dead earbuds to completely working unit, which is basically brand new, but the battery discharge did it, and they will completely dry out. So these smart electronics can cause the problems at some point. Yes, you need a bit of things to do this, but like this dock for the batteries is like $1 to $3 on the AliExpress. These batteries are ladder batteries, which I reviewed on my channel from IKEA, so nothing special. Everyone can do this. So if you have any brand of in-ear earbuds, expensive, cheap ones, Apple AirPods Pro, anything like that, you can do this, because this is a realistic thing to happen if you leave your device for a prolonged period of time and let them discharge. You will have a dead device, and the service center will probably let you know that you need to replace the battery, which is quite expensive. But no, in majority of cases, revive them and use them normally. This is of course the case if the battery didn't reach the end of life cycle. That's completely different thing. These batteries are new and now working great. I have experience with this. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please consider subscribing, and until next time, see ya.